How to delete Google Chrome history in your Android mobile. Hi guys, in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide how you can easily delete your Google Chrome history in your mobile phone. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Chrome and here you have to click on three dots on top right corner and just scroll down and here you will see history option. Click on it. And here you will see all your history that you have searched out in your Chrome. If I want to delete my browsing history in the Chrome, I will just click on delete browsing data. And after that, I have to select the time. Click on last hour and here select all the time. And after that, also select browsing history. And here you have to click on delete data. And you can see we have successfully deleted our history from Google Chrome in our mobile. So guys, in this way you can delete your history in Chrome from your mobile. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.